Kasakai Mumbai. We are here with the 4 zonal champions from North, South, East and West India. One lucky winner will go home with a ₹1 lakh shopping spree at Big Bazaar and the title of Big Bazaar Kitchen Superstar. Welcome to the grand finale of Big Bazaar Kitchen Superstar.
हेलो गाइज, मेरा नाम है यश, मैं अहमदाबाद से हूँ.
I am Anuradha Lakhipuria. I am winner from Mumbai.
Hi, my name is Swati. I am the finalist Bangalore zone.
This is Vidhi Chuk representing Eastern Zone.
Myself is Ajanta Chakravarti. I think Big Bazaar Kitchen Superstar is a great platform for all the foodies and passionate chefs who just cook at home.
मुंबई मतलब सपनों की नगरी, बस मैं अपना सपना पूरा करने आया हूँ.
मुंबई आना, बिग बाजार ने जो मुझे इतना ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, इट्स एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस.
It is quite exciting to explore some new challenges over here.
I was never expecting this, not even once.
कुकिंग करना मेरा पैशन है और बस उसको मैं अभी अपना प्रोफेशन बनाना चाहता हूँ.
It started with, very fun and just took it a chance.
The little appreciation that they get there in their own kitchen by their friends or family, I think it's a great platform to give such passion or direction. But that the energy boost and that direction that competitions like this give to people is amazing.
जीत जाता हूँ तो बस अपना एक ड्रीम है, मेरे को प्रोफेशनल शेफ होना है और मैं अपना खुद का रेस्टोरेंट या फिर कैफ़े चालू करना चाहता हूँ.
तो अब मुझे इस जगह आकर लगता है कि मुझे इसमें कुकिंग में आगे भी बढ़ना चाहिए और मैं कुछ करूँ, मैं जीतूँ या हारूँ, बट इट्स एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस.
I had so much fun being on Big Bazaar Kitchen Superstars. I got to judge the finale and already the level of competition was high because they'd made it through 80,000 people and 7 finalists had been chosen. There was a sampling of food from different regions of India. What I especially liked was a couple of people who did fusion food. Like there was a dish which was a mix between, a Karnataka sort of pancake and a quesadilla, which I liked very much. A lot of them will now go on to perhaps take cooking seriously as a profession and get an opportunity also to explore it as a career, thanks to Big Bazaar. So I think that's a wonderful thing also to encourage cooking as a form of art.
Okay, the winner of Big Bazaar Kitchen Superstar 2018.
Dhairya, congratulations.
So I really enjoyed myself. Obviously, when you get a chance to taste good food, you feel good about yourself.
ये फाइनल में जीत गया. थैंक यू बिग बाजार.